Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create vintage mark bulb sign effect on Canva. Right, as you can see we are into Canva and here we have selected a blank template. Right, so we are going to the elements and in the elements we have just searched for dark background. Okay, and here we are going into these photos and here we are going to select any of the dark background. Okay, now we are going to set this image as background image, and now again we are going into elements and here we are going to search for light bulb text. We are going to graphics. We can also search for bulb text or bulb letters. Okay, so here they are. Let me click on see all. Now one more letter is left, that is L. I hope we will find it easily, right? L. Okay, we are done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate it, right? So instead of duplicating each one, what I am going to do is I am going to group it, duplicate it, and then we are just going to decrease the transparency first, right? Now we are going to ungroup it and then we are going to flip each and every as a vertical so that it creates a mirror image, right? I would be always I, flip vertical, and that too, flip vertical, and that too, flip vertical. Okay, you can also decrease the transparency more, right? So this is how you can simply create vintage mark bulb style text in Canva. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.